Hello fellow simmers, welcome to SimTracker2.0. In this video, I'll explain the core principle behind many features. Let's start with lifetime once. Here in the Sims module, I can assign a lifetime once to a sim. What you're seeing here is only the selection part of the system. The actual list of available lifetime once is managed under Data and Lists. If we go to Data and Lists and then Dreams and Traits, we can see where those options come from. This list contains all available lifetime ones you can select under SimTracker 2.0. I can add new ones, edit existing ones, or remove them completely. Let's add a new lifetime once. After saving the change, let's return to the Sims module. As you can see, the new option is immediately available for selection. If a change is not immediately available, use the refresh button. You'll also find the refresh button in other modules. So this is the core principle. First, you define the available data in Data and Lists. Then you select and use that data, that list, elsewhere in SimTracker 2.0. The list itself is managed in Data and Lists. The selection happens in the main modules under SimTracker 2.0. Lifetime once is just one example. Custom traits follows the same principle. Also, driving licenses follows the same principle. The exact screens may be different, but the idea remains the same. There are some exceptions, however. Relationships, for example, work differently and deserve their own explanation. We'll cover those in a future video. Many systems in SimTracker 2.0 are being built around this concept. The next step is still under development. Eventually, the information stored in these systems will be used to generate reports, templates, letters, and other outputs automatically. So whenever you see a new feature like lifetime ones, custom traits, or driving licenses, you'll know how it works behind the scenes. The data is defined in a list selected in the main modules and eventually used as output. And for systems like relationships, we'll take a closer look in a future tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.